Hey, Britton, how you doing? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Let me see. Okay, so there's your submission. Then here's your written rationale. That's great. Sketches, a little underdeveloped. I mean, I know it says to do quick sketches, and I've been mentioning this to a couple of different students, and I just want to mention that to you. The sketches, I think, to me as a principal, I really like to see detailed sketches. I mean, I really love detailed sketches. If I'm going to sign off on a specific direction that my studio is going to take for any given project, I would like to see my designers show me a really detailed sketch. So you don't have to change these at all. These are fine. But moving forward in your design career, in your student design career, as well as when you transition to as a professional designer, expect that your sketches will be expected to be highly detailed. Okay, just so you know, as I'm trying to prepare you as for a career in design, or do my part in that regard anyway. And I think that that's something that's definitely worth mentioning. So there you go. Let's go ahead and, okay, the typeface looks amazing. It really does. I think this is a good piece right here. I'm going to zoom out here so we can get the whole poster, the whole specimen sheet in view here, as we can see right here. So that's fantastic. Doing a great job. You show the uppercase, lowercase, your numeric character set, your punctuation. Outstanding, right? Now, there's a couple of things I would like to see added to this piece. So one of the things I think I would like to see, so you mentioned that the typeface comes in black or in this two-tone, right? So what I would like to see is this. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to zoom in. In this part of the poster right here, you've got these keywords, and this is really the only area in the poster where the viewer is able to see letter combinations in a live setting. So we're actually seeing the words typeset in your typeface. But all we have here are uppercase words. So what I would recommend that we do is this. Let's take, and either side of these, okay, so on the left-hand side, we'll take the word bold, okay, and set it in lowercase. So you have lowercase bold, lowercase tough, lowercase strong, lowercase capable. Then over here, do the same thing, only use your black typeface so we can see that. So you've got bold, then you've got lowercase bold, and then you've got lowercase black bold. All right. And present them smaller for some variation, some visual variation. So you have tough in the middle, all uppercase. Then over here at a smaller type size, you have tough in lowercase. Then over here, you have tough in the black. And you can present those in all caps if you want, or title case, whatever you want to present the all black. That's up to you. But I think that would help in showing the versatility of the typeface itself, right? My only other comment has to do with your concept. And right now we're seeing these kind of diagonal lines that are converging, and they somewhat are reminiscent to me anyway of mountains. Okay, so we kind of see these peaks and valleys that we are associated with mountains. But Die Hard itself is an urban setting that has skyscrapers and buildings. So can we do something here to allude to that, the fact that the story resides in an urban setting with skyscrapers, as opposed to this kind of depiction of almost what looks like mountains? Does that make sense? I hope so. If not, let me know. I'd like to clarify, because I think that would really, really help. All right, so those are my comments moving forward. Fantastic work, really good job. You've been working very hard. I mean, you've been very dedicated to this project since day one, and I appreciate that, and it shows in the work. So fantastic job. All right, questions at all? Please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify. Thank you. Good work.